So let's talk about Thrive Market. So Thrive is a website that I heard about from a YouTube channel. I believe her name is Naturally Chic. And she orders a lot of her food from Thrive. Now, I'm not sure about you guys, but I'm one of the many that suffer from this thing called control, and not having self-control when it comes to eating, and trying to transition into a new lifestyle cold turkey is very easy to have a big setback. It's just having control, and I just don't have any. So this website makes it very easy for me to have everything accessible, so I can be successful when I fully transition and I gain that self-control and I can step away. Now, when I have my stress days, I definitely stress eat. So it's great to have little snacks and stuff around that's good for you and not very expensive. So Thrive, I downloaded the app. This is not my first order, it's actually my second. If you sign up for Thrive, you get 20% off of the first 3 purchases, and they're pretty nifty in making sure that you're not missing out on anything. They give you these great daily free gifts if you make purchases over $59 plus free shipping and blah 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 blah. So, being as though this is my second order, of course my first order was just a whole bunch of random stuff just to see how it tastes. If you can't tell, these little snacks, and I'm from Alabama, so to find a pork rind-ish snack that is very filling and tastes amazing, you can see I stacked up on it. So here's what happened with this order. I made the order because I'm also trying to transition out of using Dove and Olive Olay and all that good stuff. And I ordered this. Dr. Bronner's, I've used it before, but it's very expensive. For a big bottle, it's about $12.99. So to find this set for $13 was really a steal. Let me tell you how Thrive got me though. So I made this order with the hemp soap plus everything, and you can tell everything's thrown in. It's wrapped very well. I saved a good amount of money. I don't think I paid more than $50 for this entire box of 17 things. So I get an email as soon as I place the order that tells me, hey, it's actually Hemp History Week, and if you place an order for $59, we'll give you 2 bottles of Dr. Bronner's for free, as long as you have a $59 order, plus you get at least 2 hemp items of our choice. That's all they had to say to me. And what did I do? I did this. When I say I have self-control issues, I just have self-control issues. But guess what? I have everything that I need for quite some time. This is not a small box. Like, this is a good sized box, y'all. All this stuff. Let's see if it's on here. 35 items, and I believe I paid about $150, which is a drop in the bucket for really good, wholesome food that I can portion out and make sure that I'm not having those setbacks. And this is all of my snacks. My first order was really most of my food, like beans and rice and all of that good stuff. And it was good. And of course, my 2 little bottles of Dr. Bronner's is in here, my free gifts. Food, see, Hemp History Week. Isn't that funny? I didn't even know it existed, but I'm glad that it did. So I definitely suggest, if you're one of those people that need a little extra reason to be successul in this journey, to try Thrive. I don't work with or for them, but I think that they're really assisting me to make sure that I can actually make it through this. If you're paleo, or there are so many different avenues, or whatever your diet or your dietary special. They even sell like meat and seafood if that's what you're into. The delivery is within 48 hours to your order. Make a purchase over $59, they'll ship it to you for free. All those good things. But this is my third order with Thrive, and I'm gonna continue to I'm gonna continue to use their products. Really good quality stuff, and it's at wholesale prices. So look into it, check it out. I hope it's something that you can work with. If you're vegan, if you're not vegan, if you're vegetarian, if you're paleo, just take a look at the site and see if this is something that would also help you on your journey to being healthy.